Hello guys, welcome back. This is Deepika from MyTutorialRack.com. Now in this tutorial, we are going to create our custom object called medical appointment. And then once the object is created, we are going to add a bunch of fields to the object. And the third step is going to be uploading data onto this object. Okay. Once these three things are done, then we can go ahead and start creating our prediction. And what the prediction is going to do, it is going to figure out if that particular patient is going to show up for his appointment, or what is the probability of him showing up for the appointment. Is it 70%? Is it 60%? Is it 50%? Is it a low probability or is it a high probability? So first thing is we will go back to our Salesforce here. We'll go to Salesforce and we'll go over to Object Manager. And then here we'll create a new custom object, and the name of the object is medical appointment. And then here the plural label would be medical appointments. And then here medical appointment number, or we can call it as appointment ID. And this is going to be an auto number, and it's going to start with the display format is going to be, and then starting number is going to be 1. Okay, so that's going to be a display format and starting number, allowing these features. And then scroll down, and we are going to allow the search, and we're also going to add a new tab for it. Okay, and then let's hit the save. So this is our new object that we have created now, and we'll choose a tab for it. Let's say we choose something called as clock, probably alarm clock, and then hit next. Apply one visibility to all the profile. Yes, then we'll click next here again, and we'll include this tab, and then we'll hit the save. So our object is created, and also a tab has been created. Okay, now in the next tutorial we are going to add fields to this custom object. So I'll see you then. Thank you very much.